welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm just gonna continue working on the bumper, trying to get it straightened out, and hopefully I can get to the fiberglass stage in this video. Stay tuned, and we're gonna keep on moving forward. All right, as you can see, I finished a lot of work off camera. There's a lot of work to try to square up and try to get it even on both sides. But I managed to get it to work. On this side here, I had a lot of drooping going on. This side had 21 inches from lens down to the bottom. Say, well, on this side it was probably about 35, so I had to cut along the edge and bring that whole piece up. Wasn't that hard of a job. Had to just splice it. So now everything is even, 21 inches from top to bottom, and everything equal from the center point out to the edges on both sides. And all vents and lights are now equal, and everything is squared. And the next step is to go ahead and use this aluminum tape to go and cover up the clay to get it ready for fiberglass. What I'm going to do is lay the tape, go over the tape with some mold release and probably some, what do you call it again? Give me a second. Yeah, I'll go over it with some mold release and some gel coat, and we'll hit the whole thing with fiberglass and make a mold so we could go and remold it again or recast it, however you want to say it, so we could get a perfect outcome or close to perfect. Let's just keep on moving with the build. Alright, I'm pretty much done with this for the day. It's getting pretty dark. Almost finished with the plug. That'll be about it. So we'll get back on this on the next day. Alright, I'm done with the forming of this mold. Got all the reinforcements on there. All the edges are connected now. And the next clip, I should be pulling off the bumper and getting the underside of the bumper. Pull a part out of this mold, and that will be the final part. Alright, that's it for this video here. It's getting kind of long, so I'm going to cut it right here, and I'm going to continue on the next one. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell. The most satisfying part is coming up next. Pulling off the mold. Later.